What's going on, guys? This is AppGeeker channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 2 easy ways to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to an iPhone. With these 2 methods, you can easily get all your WhatsApp chats from Android to iPhone, and bring along with all the attachments, photos, videos, and emoji. And the WhatsApp transfer from Android to iPhone couldn't be easier if you know the correct ways. Alright, the first tool we're gonna use is your email. Yeah, that's right, email can be used to transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone. To do that, I'm going to open the WhatsApp on my Android phone first. As you can see, there are several WhatsApp conversations here. Now, I just open a conversation. And there are a few photos and videos as you can see. Okay, now, let's transfer this WhatsApp chat to my iPhone 13. If you're using iPhone 11, iPhone 12, it works the same. Alright, tap the 3 dots here. Then, tap More. Here you can see the Export Chats option, so select it. And then, you're given 2 options. You can decide whether to attach the media files or not. If you want to transfer the images and videos in the conversation, just tap Include Media. If not, choose Without Media and you'll get only text. However, for some Android devices, the Include Media option might not work. If that's the case, you can try our second method, phone transfer. It transfers WhatsApp from Android to iPhone with everything included. So here, to save time, I'm going to select the Without Media option. You can try the Include Media on your Android phone. Alright, I just choose the Without option. And next, select an email account. Here, I'm using my Gmail account. You can use your own email account. Okay, input the Gmail address here and send it to myself. And now, let's open the Gmail on my iPhone. Find it in the inbox. You see, this is the WhatsApp conversation we just sent. It's just like a text, but a little bit messy here. No pictures, no videos, only the text itself. So, using email, you can keep your previous WhatsApp messages in your email account, but these WhatsApp messages cannot be restored to your WhatsApp account on your iPhone. You can only access it in the email box. And you can only transfer one WhatsApp chat at a time. So you'll have to send it one by one, which may take much time, you know. So, to make a quick WhatsApp data transfer from Android to iPhone, and most importantly, to avoid losing your WhatsApp images, videos, emoji, we're sure that the next method is what you'll want to try. So, luckily, we also have this quick and easy method to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone, and it can also be used to move other media content between Android and iOS devices. So, let's get it. The tool I'm going to use now is the software named Phone Transfer. You can get it through the link in the video description below. It works efficiently on either Windows or Mac. Okay, now, since I already have it, I just open it on my Windows PC. You can use your Mac. Alright, from this interface, you can see several different options for you. Not just WhatsApp, it's also available to transfer data files from one phone to another phone, like Android to iOS, iOS to Android. And here's another option to back up and restore your iPhone with your computer. Pretty convenient. So now, to transfer your WhatsApp from Android to iPhone, I'm going to choose the WhatsApp transfer from the main interface. With it, you can also transfer the WhatsApp Business or GB WhatsApp messages as you want. Okay, click WhatsApp Transfer. You can see this page here, asking you to connect a source phone and a destination phone. Alright, we just follow the instructions. Now, I connect my Android phone first. Here, I'm using a Samsung Galaxy phone. If you're using another kind of Android device, don't worry. The steps are all the same. Alright, now here's a pop-up window. It recognizes my Samsung phone and needs to enable the USB debugging first. Okay, I just follow the guide on the screen to turn on the USB debugging mode. Once done, it gets truly connected. Okay then, I plugged my iPhone with my computer. Now, as you can see, they are both connected. From Android to iPhone, transfer the WhatsApp messages. Make sure you put the Android phone on the left side, the receiver iPhone on the right. You can also hit the flip button here to switch them if you want to transfer your WhatsApp data the other way around. Okay, now, from the middle box, the WhatsApp data box over here, you can see it already scans the WhatsApp content on my Android phone. And now all I need to do is to click the Start button. Here, it's going to create a local WhatsApp backup on the source Android phone so that we can restore the backup data to the target iPhone next. So, here, to make the WhatsApp backup on your Android, you need to follow the on-screen instructions to log in your WhatsApp account on your Android device and let it restore your WhatsApp data. Okay, now, you can see it's restoring the WhatsApp data to my iPhone 13 now. And during the process, the pop-up here will tell you to sign in with your WhatsApp account on your target iPhone. So here, we open WhatsApp on this iPhone and log in. If you see a restore from iCloud screen on your iPhone, make sure to skip it. This is because we're directly transferring the WhatsApp messages from your Android to iPhone, so skip it when it says to restore from iCloud. Alright, wait for a short while, like a couple of minutes, and it's all finished now. No need to send one by one, we just move all the WhatsApp messages, with all the media files inside, from your Android to iPhone, just like this. And it includes the photos, videos, and the emoji, GIF, and also other media data in your WhatsApp chats. You won't lose any WhatsApp data which is precious to you. So now, let's check the WhatsApp on my iPhone. As you see, all the WhatsApp chats are moved here now. All my WhatsApp chats are displayed in order on my iPhone 13 here. And I just opened one of the conversations. You can see, the pictures, and meme, everything in my WhatsApp chats is all here for me. Unlike using email, you can only view the WhatsApp chats in your email inbox. The messy text would be annoying. You may not even want to read. So now, with phone transfer, you can easily move all your WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone with everything you want. And you can restore all the content to your WhatsApp account sorted by time, along with the media files inside. Just like me, I've got every piece of WhatsApp chats I need, everything in order. It's exactly what I've got on my Android. Pretty easy, and very fast. So, using email or the phone transfer tool, you now have two ways to transfer your WhatsApp chats from your old Android phone to your new iPhone. Alright, that's what we have for today. Hope this video helped. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video.